Okay. Hello, YouTube. I would like to take this opportunity to, in a strange parallel, if you will, representing our banking system with a near-death experience, our death, if you will. Uh, the commercial banks, as you know, are becoming bigger and bigger, and there's fewer and fewer smaller banks. And of course, it's harder for those banks to compete with larger commercial banks because they're smaller and they're more hometown oriented. What South Dakota has done, House and Senate have over the majority passed resolutions to reinstate Glass-Steagall Act. So securities and risky activities will not take place with your deposits and your money. So when you go to the bank, your money will be there and it will be safe. 1929, was it called Black Friday? Day that people jumped off buildings and killed themselves because the stock market crashed. And this is why this act was enacted. Human greed corrupts, and we need checks and balances in place. You know, you can't go, you can't just go and shoot somebody because they're on your property. That I'm laughing because I would never do that, but it's just crazy. But the parallel is the commercial banks know that the government has an obligation to bail them out, and so basically they're guaranteed life support from the government. So the reason I don't want the government mopping up after any of the banks, I just don't care about that. We need to reinstate Glass-Steagall, period. Number one. There's also a lot of other things going on with this, if you will. You notice how beef prices have been going up. It's harder for people to raise cattle. You know, our government keeps printing more money, and money can go for securities. Corn, you know, people raise the money on corn. It costs more to make for cattle, pigs especially, cornmeal, and it's going to trickle on down. So what we really need here is we need the Glass-Steagall Act reinstated for safe banking procedures. Otherwise, it's going to come down to a parallel of a near-death experience / death of our government, kind of like, because of greed. Overall, in the end, it comes down to greed. So we need to get this reinstated so we have reasonable measures that are taken so your deposits won't be risked, and the government will not have to bail them out because they didn't take that risk. See, they are guaranteed that they know that the government will bail them out. Wouldn't you like that? You know, if you didn't go to work for 3 weeks and you know went into debt and you knew you would be bailed out, kind of sweet deal. So Christy Johnson and John Thune there, you guys really need to get your act together, and we need to get this passed. Your state voted on a resolution to reinstate it. Do what they're asking you to do, please. Don't just take extra money. You guys can go out and eat every night if you wanted to. You know, there's people in Sioux Falls who probably are just scraping by to get by. So you guys need to get your asses together, sit down at a table, work this out. We need to get it done.